Hello, welcome back to Fun Cars and Good People. My name is Carl and this is my daughter, Jasmine. Today is 22nd of October 2024 and I am making this video to say hello to you and show you how little I have been doing on my DIY projects. I say little because I have been using almost all my time taking care of Jasmine and going to work. Therefore, I have to suspend the DIY projects and the making of YouTube videos. Jasmine is 9 months old now. Everything has been going fine with this lovely baby. Thanks to many of you who have sent me kind regards and wishes. And for my job, I'm an airline pilot. Besides flying a lot this year, I was particularly busy in July for the recurrent checks and air transportation pilot license check. Shortly after obtaining the ATP license, my company offered me the opportunity of upgrade selection in October. I continued to prepare hard. However, I did not pass the evaluation. Life is neither easy nor perfect, isn't it? But I'm sure that the super busy period of 2024 is gone. And now I have some time to think about cars and YouTube videos. Since the last DIY video, I had helped my friend fixing the sloppy shifter of his Chevrolet Camaro. My other friend helped me install the soft close feature, which was originally not available for 3 Series on my E9x M3. And I have opened the S65 engine of the M3 to replace the valve stem seals in order to fix the oil consumption problem. I will also replace the plastic VANOS gear covers, which can break and leave debris in the engine. The magnesium aluminum alloy valve covers that have an inevitable corrosion problem will also be replaced. This project has been ongoing for more than 6 months. The engine is still open since March, and I really found no time to finish it. Besides, working in the basement parking lot during hot summer is another challenge, and also a reason for the delay. I have taken videos for the projects I have mentioned above, and I think it's time for editing. So thank you very much for sending me supporting comments. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye!